Hello guys, this is Ben from WordPress.com 外贸实战笔记. Let's see how we use search engine scraper to collect, to extract, to grab, to scrape your target customers' websites with your own keywords from Bing search engine and Google search engine. Only those two search engines. File settings. You can set your own proxies. You can use many proxies and you will get more results, okay? From Google search engine and Bing search engine. Search engines, Bing and Google, right? You just input your keywords here, unlimited keywords. For example, okay, so many keywords, so many keywords, alright? If you have more proxies, the results will be more. Got it? You can use proxies, right? And then just click start searching. You will get many websites of your target customers based on your own keywords, searching keywords, right? Very easy, right? Proxies, more good proxies, more searching results. Is that understood? Hope you like it. You can get more professional tools from WordPress.com 外贸实战笔记. Thanks for watching and see you next time.